mukhang ano no, mukhang kulang sa sustansya. O lalong-lalo na yung pagtatanong nitong committee na to. It seems to me na panglabing-isang hearing na nila to, pero parang ano no, parang they were not able to build on anything from the previous hearings, and that they were not able to solidify any position against the former president.
Prof, kumusta? Na-monitor ho ba ninyo yung naging hearing kahapon ng Quadcom? Kung saan dumalo
Yes, yes.
si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ano ho, ay yung masasabi muna doon sa pagdalo ng dating Pangulo?
Well, definitely this is something that I think is really good, no? Insofar as our democracy is concerned. Again, sinubukan yata ng Quadcom na i-delay or i-defer yung kanyang pagdalo, no? But I think the former president insisted na ituloy kahapon yung kanyang pagdalo, no? So I think this tantamounts to the readiness of the former president to really address the queries of the Quadcom. Unfortunately, so parang nangyari, parang it's the former president who came out more prepared, no, than the committee itself, which is very very disheartening. Kasi for me, this could be attributed to a parang tantamount to sa pag-aksaya sa pera ng bayan at sa oras, no, ng ating mga mambabatas, that we could have devoted it to something more productive.